So you've just got a new Windows 10 computer, and the first thing you notice is your start menu looks very different to how it did in Windows 7, Windows Vista or Windows XP. Now don't worry, we can change this and make it look a little bit more friendly. So the first thing we're going to do is remove some of the rubbish that's pre-installed on Windows 10. So say we don't want this one, we can right click it, and you may get an option to uninstall it. If not, you can certainly unpin it from the menu. Just repeat this with a few different things until you've got rid of all the icons that you no longer want. Now I'm going to leave a few so that we can demonstrate what else you can do with the icons. So firstly, you can resize them. That's a right click. I'm going to make the news a little bit bigger. I'm then going to drag the weather next to the news. And I'm going to move the games down. So let's put Twitter with the news as well, and maybe Facebook. And so we can make it more useful, we'll right click and we'll resize and make that wider. So once you're logged in, you'll see your latest feeds on there. Now we don't really need a big advertising store icon, we'll make that a bit smaller. In fact, we'll make it very small. There we go. Photos will make it a bit bigger so you can see your latest photos. And we'll leave mail as it is. Now, you can rename these. Just click on them and type something else in. And if you've got other apps that you want on this start menu that you use a lot, they should appear on recently added up here, but you can right click on them and pin them to start, and then move them wherever you want. You can also right click on them, go to more and pin to taskbar, and they'll appear down here. There we go, and they'll appear at the bottom so you can get to them easily. Some of them you can also put on the desktop. So we right click, we go to more and open file location, and then we just want to copy it to the desktop. So the best way to do that is to right drag. So use a right click drag, and that gives you the option so you can actually make a copy to the desktop.